Have you ever wondered how much technology can make your life more comfortable? Not just helping with small tasks, but actually doing your work, making decisions, and opening new opportunities. I've always been fascinated by the idea of delegating routine tasks to a smart algorithm, one that never gets tired, never makes mistakes, and isn't affected by emotions. One day I asked myself, is it possible to create a tool that works on par with my own expertise? My name is Nathan, and after 8 years in trading, I realized one important thing. Time is the most valuable resource. That's why I decided to develop an AI bot that would handle all the complex work and help me and my community grow faster and achieve real results. After 9 months of testing and fine-tuning, I created an assistant that analyzes data, makes decisions, and performs all the tasks that used to require my direct involvement. And the main part, it's already helping people, even those who have never tried trading before. Today, I'll show you how this bot works and what it can do for you. Pay close attention. This must be the day you discover how technology can open up completely new possibilities for you. Ready? Then let's get started. By the way, I have an important announcement. This AI bot has already caught the attention of many people, and I've been offered a substantial amount of funds to sell it, but I refused. Why? Because I understand the incredible potential behind this technology, and I don't want to limit access to it. This bot operates on an algorithm I've been developing for 8 years. It analyzes the market, identifies entry points, and helps make decisions without any emotions. Unlike humans, it never rushes conclusions and always follows the strategy I've programmed into its system. In my private community, you can access this bot for free. There is no need to spend months studying complex strategies or worrying about making mistakes. The bot handles everything for you. Many members are already using it daily, and their results make me proud. But there is a catch. I personally help each new user get started with this tool, which means spots are limited. If you want access, click the first link in the description under this video or in the pinned comment. Now, I'll show you how this bot works in real time. But first, make sure you've secured your spot. Opportunities like this don't last forever. So, let's continue. My platform is already open and we're ready to begin. My AI bot just sent me the pairs to focus on today. Let's select them. Today, I'm not using any indicators because my Smart Assistant is handling all the analytics. Everything is set up and the bot is actively analyzing the first pair. So, let's get started. My AI bot is now indicating a downward move. It has identified that the price has reached a key resistance level. Such levels often halt price movement and trigger a reversal downward. I agree with its analysis and follow my assistant's recommendations, expecting a downward correction. Great start. The price has indeed reversed downward, confirming my AI assistant's insights. Let's see how the situation unfolds. Now, my bot has detected that the price has broken through a key level and is holding above it. This typically indicates that buyers have strength and the market is set to continue moving upward. I'm joining this upward trend following my AI bot's recommendation. Once again, the AI assistant was right. The price is moving upward, confirming its precise analysis. Let's keep going. Here, the bot has spotted that after a decline, the price has stabilized at a level that previously prevented it from going lower. Buyers are actively supporting the price at this point, so my assistant suggests continuing the upward movement. Trusting the bot's recommendation, I enter a trade in an upward direction. Excellent! My bot has once again accurately identified the market situation. The price continues to rise. Let's keep trading. What do you think about my AI bot? I can see we're moving forward with confidence, and that's truly inspiring. Today, trading isn't just about charts and numbers. It's about modern technology that helps analyze the market faster and more accurately. In a world where the market changes every second, it's essential not just to observe, but to use tools that provide a deeper understanding of the situation. I spent years searching for ways to simplify trading, and now I have an AI bot that handles complex market analysis. It processes massive amount of market data in seconds, calculates possible scenarios, and helps avoiding emotional decisions, which often interfere with making well-balanced decisions. This bot is the result of hard work from a team of developers and experienced traders. We invested a lot of time and knowledge into creating a tool that's truly comfortable to use in practice. Right now, access to the bot is open in my community and anyone can test it out for free. How can you do that? Click the link in the description under this video and join the community. Once inside, I'll personally guide you through using it step by step. I'm always available to help answer questions, explain the details, and show you how to use the bot as effectively as I'm going right now in this video. I'll personally guide you through using it step by step. I'm always available to help answer questions, explain the details, and show you how to use the bot as effectively as I'm going right now in this session. But keep in mind, access is only available for a limited time. Once we reach the maximum number of participants, I will close new registrations. So if you are interested, click the link in the description or pinned comment right now and claim your bot. Now, let's continue. AI bot once again recommends an upward move. It has detected that after a brief pause, the price has started to climb gradually, forming a steady upward movement on a chart. I can see that there is still room for a price to rise before it reaches the next resistance level, so I accept my assistant's suggestion and continue moving upward. Fantastic! My AI bot and I have once again correctly determined the direction. Let's move on. Now, the bot indicates that the trend is shifting downward. It has noticed that after breaking a level, the price failed to continue rising confidently and has instead started moving sideways. This suggests that buyers may be losing strength and the price could return downward. I follow my AI bot's suggestion and anticipate a decline. Great work from my assistant. Once again, the chart confirms its recommendations. Moving on to the next setup. The AI bot has detected an active upward movement that is now building strength. It recommends joining this rise as the strength of buyers has noticeably increased. I agree and follow this direction to take advantage of a current trend. Amazing! Once again, my bot has accurately spotted a change in dynamics and pointed us in the right direction. Now, the bot is once again indicating an upward move. It has spotted that the chart has broken through a key level after a brief consolidation, and now the price is pushing higher. Typically, after such breakouts, the price continues moving up confidently. I follow my assistant's recommendations and go with an upward trend. A perfect way to end the trading session. Today, the AI bot has clearly demonstrated its effectiveness in helping make the right decisions. Stay on top by making the most of technology. Let's be realistic. You spent time watching this video and seeing how my AI bot works, and now you have two options. Close this tab and leave everything as it is, or take a step that could unlock new opportunities and take a step towards success. My community isn't just a group chat. It is a space where technology and expertise come together. Here I provide access to the AI bot, share proven strategies, break down market situations, and demonstrate how automation can transform trading. But the most important thing is that it's your opportunity to stop being just a spectator and start using a tool that makes trading clearer and more accessible. Don't put it off. These kind of opportunities don't come around every day. And right now, you can try my AI bot for free. All you need to do is take one simple click. Click the link in the description under this video or in the pinned comment and become part of my community. It's important to remember that the market is always dynamic and there are always risks involved. The key is to have the right approach and use reliable tools. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the community.